Samsung has just released a cool new update for the Galaxy S24 phones, starting in South Korea and heading worldwide soon. This update makes big improvements to how the screen and camera work, making the Galaxy S24 series even better. For the screen, the update adds 3 new settings to fix a problem where colors looked a bit dull on the Galaxy S24 Plus. Now, users can pick from 3 options: the original look, a look like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, or a new option with more vibrant colors, especially yellows. The update also makes the camera better, with improvements like making pictures clearer in bright light and fixing issues with video recording. These upgrades are super important for the S24 Ultra model, especially for taking better pictures in tricky situations. In South Korea, the update even includes a vividness slider, so users can adjust colors on their screen just how they like. Plus, Samsung is bringing cool AI features to older devices like the S23 series and Z Fold flip phones. Overall, these updates make Samsung's commitment to improving their devices even clearer, showing they care about making things better for their users.